I've been using Autotrace to help with my query tuning optimization efforts, and some of you may be wondering why. Why not just stick with explain plans? Let's take a look. The problem with an explain plan is it doesn't represent what Oracle actually does when it runs the query. It's just a prediction. If we take this simple little query here and look at the explain plan, we can see that it's predicting to access the table via an index range scan. However, when we run Autotrace and execute the query, we find it's actually doing a full table scan. If you're a fan of using Autotrace in SQL+, it also suffers from this incorrect plan problem. We take our query, paste it into SQL+, and then execute it with Autotrace enabled, as we show here, we find it's showing an index range scan again. However, this isn't the case. As we can see from SQL Developer, Oracle is doing a full table scan when running this query. Another reason for using Autotrace in SQL Developer is it shows you the performance metrics of each stage in the plan. If we scroll across, we can see we've got the buffer gets here, which is a measure of how many I/O operations were performed, the last elapsed time of this step in microseconds, how many rows did the step return, and how many times was it executed. Together, these four stats help us identify the poor performing parts of our query and where we need to direct our attention.